السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
My name is Deini, and today I want to talk to you guys about personal development. There are 5 things or 5 steps you can use as a roadmap to develop yourself. Number 1, develop a personal statement. Write it down on a visual board, whether it's on your fridge or in your room, wherever it is. But have a visual statement or a vision that's always in front of you. Number 2, plan your vision. Write down what you want to do. Write down, how you want to achieve it. What steps are you going to take? And also give yourself a timeline. Number 3, write it down. Always record everything and try to have somebody that can hold you accountable and talk to you about it. Number 4, evaluate the improvement on a daily basis. Always look at what progress you're making and what you need to improve. And number 5, continue to improve the process. The only thing you should be changing once you reach the goal is the goal itself. And then repeat the process.